Hello, this is Amber with WaveRez, and we're going to go over an overview of the Daily Manifest. The Daily Manifest is a view tab located right here. Once you click on this, you'll go into a view that gives you your reservations for the day, and they're organized by trip and time. Now you can see which trip they are by looking at this gray bar on the top, and the departure time is located right next to it. As you scroll down, they're organized by time. Now, this gives you the customer's information for this particular time, their name, phone number, and what tickets they booked. If they have paid some or if they have anything left due, it will also show you a status over here. Now you can click on the status to check them in right from the screen. You can also swap their equipment to another equipment, send messages to them, print tickets, as well as the manifest. Now, there's several things that you can do on these screens, but you can always hover over each icon. It'll tell you exactly what it does, and you can click on the names to go directly into the order. Now, if you're on a cell phone, this phone number is clickable as well, and you can click on that to go ahead and directly call them from the screen. Now, each one of these is going to be organized by, like I said, trip and equipment, and then customer's order. So trip, time, equipment, customer order. If there's multiple equipments leaving at one time, they will all be multiple equipments for the same trip leaving at all time, then they'll all be organized under this trip tab and then by equipment.